Hi, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd start out this nice, almost summer day with grilling. So today I'm going to have chicken marinated in a Greek salad dressing, potatoes with butter, garlic, and salt and pepper, and then corn on the cob still in its husk. We're going to marinate the chicken breast for 30 to 60 minutes in the refrigerator in a gazebo room salad dressing. It is delicious. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the potatoes for the grill. 2 sheets of aluminum foil, and you set the potatoes in there sliced thinly, salt, pepper, and garlic salt with hunks of butter to your preference. And then we're going to put the top on and then fold the sides down, and we're going to throw it on the grill and just keep on turning it for 30 minutes. Okay, the corn is ready. I'm going to peel it back. I'm not going to remove it. I'm just going to peel it back and remove all the silk, because the silk you cannot eat. Okay, it's peeled back. I'm removing all the silk. See how nice and clean it looks now? That's what you want it to look like. And it's ready. Close it back up. Close it back up, and then I'm going to put it in water for about 10 minutes because we want to make sure those kernels stay nice and delicious on the grill. Okay, so corn's on, potatoes are on. I'm just going to turn them back here a little bit. Make room for the chicken breast. The chicken breast is going to cook about 5 minutes on each side. So that's pretty down to about a medium heat. This has been cooking almost 30 minutes. This is my second flip. The corn we just keep on turning about every 5 minutes, and this cooks 5 minutes on each side. It's like a delicious dinner. And do the toes when I flip them over. You can delicious. Put the potatoes out. Look how delicious they look. Make it nice and seared on the outside, blocking all that moisture. Okay, it's just about dinner time. Everything's almost done. The potatoes look wonderful. Look at the corn. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look delicious? When you press on the kernels like this, they should be soft. These are still crispy, so I'm going to still leave them on for a while. Okay, so we made a delicious dinner in a matter of maybe an hour between prep time and cooking. Very simple. Took chicken breast, cut it in half, marinated for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. The corn I husked it down to the bottom. Did not disconnect it from the corn on the cob. Took all the silk off, closed it up, put it in a bowl for cold water for about 10 minutes, and then the sliced potatoes, butter, garlic, salt and pepper, aluminum foil, and they cooked on here for about 30 minutes. So the potatoes cook about 30 minutes, the chicken 5 minutes on each side, and the corn almost 15, maybe 20 minutes. It depends on when you fill it, you'll be able to tell. Like if they're still crispy and not soft, then that means they're not done. Okay, so we're going to let the chicken rest. And step back and see how crispy it's on the outside. Okay, everything is done. Chicken looking delicious, the potatoes look delicious, and the corn done just right. Okay, let's eat. Okay, dinner's all done. Let's give it a try. Tastes really good. Corn on the cob. The kernels are soft. That shows you that the corn on the cob's done. This is my second piece of chicken. The other, I already ate one piece. It was nice and moist. It was very, very good. So, dinner was a success on the grill. Don't forget to subscribe. Crazy Good Food. Bonnie Myers. Come back and see all my videos.